Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm here to provide you with guidance to make sure that you maximize your chances of success of getting back with the one you love. I wanted to do a video on pleading and begging because I know that a lot of you do this, and above and beyond pleading and begging, just being needy in general during breakup recovery, because a lot of people make mistakes and it's okay. We're human, we make mistakes. But it's important for you to correct this behavior. And people often associate being needy with the begging and the pleading. For sure that's being needy, but there are other ways, other forms of neediness that pushes your ex away that you may not be aware of, that you keep doing. If you are expressing your feelings and emotions to your significant other, you are being needy. Telling them you miss them, telling them you love them, talking too much about the changes that you've made and your regrets, asking for apologies over and over again is being needy. Seeking that forgiveness constantly is putting them on a pedestal and not being the most attractive version of who you can be. So of course, if you've made mistakes, big mistakes especially, I want you to apologize at some point, just to get that off your chest and for you to be able to then focus on the essentials, your actions and your deeds in your day-to-day to offer something new and to grow as an individual. But I don't want you to apologize over and over and over again. And I don't want you to express your feelings and emotion to your significant other. Men do this, women do this too, and you feel that you can touch their heart through words by conveying them how you feel. But it's not gonna happen. And if you continue to do that, you will push them away. That's not what you want to do. Okay? You need to be strong and you need to turn that enthusiasm, what you've learned, into action in your day-to-day, into things that are actually productive and that can change you, that can change who you are and how confident you are and your level of well-being, because those are the things that ultimately will inspire the one you love to give you another chance. Not just to give you another chance, but to want to be with you, to be dying at the thought of losing you. And that is possible if you avoid this neediness, begging, pleading, expressing your sorrow and your emotions. So that's the lesson of the day, okay? It's important for you to be strong and to turn what you have learned, the love and the emotion that you have, into something productive and constructive that you can implement in your day-to-day for yourself. So I challenge you to think about the many ways that you can do this in your day-to-day and to share that with other people, other members of the Love Advice TV community, so that you can inspire each other and hopefully maximize your chances of success along the way. As always, we are here for you and we're behind you. We believe in you. Continue to believe in yourself too, and good things will happen. Wish you all the very best, and I look forward to see you soon on Love Advice TV.